Sun is dancing like fire. Sun is dancing like fire. I'm lost now to know like fire.
Hey guys, happy St. Patrick's Day. I wanted to do a fun green look, you know, if you were going out. I'm not really going out or celebrate St. Patrick's Day, but I love using green shadow, so I just use this as an excuse to put on green shadow. Today I used this matte palette from Karity. All my favorite looks I've seen on Instagram, all these beautiful colorful ones, they always use the Morphe 35B palette. And I was gonna buy it, but it's actually not vegan. So for the past few months I've been searching and searching for a matte colorful eyeshadow palette, and this is the closest one I can find. But it's just as beautiful. It was super cheap. I think it was like 20 bucks. So I'm glad I finally found a matte palette, because even though the majority of my palettes are all super colorful, the eyeshadows are usually shimmery, not matte. Even with my 120 palette, there's like 20 green eyeshadows in there and none of them are matte. So this was perfect for this look. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. So I'm gonna start off with the color Tweety, the yellow. Such a cute name. I remember when I found out that Tweety was a boy and I was like, what? It's because he has super pretty long eyelashes. Compared to all my Juvia's Place palettes, this is just a little dry. The Juvia's Place eyeshadows are pretty creamy and you instantly get a lot of pigment, but for this you kind of have to build it up, which isn't really bad. It just takes more time. And I'm just going to put that on my lower lash line. And right below the yellow, I'm going to be using Wicked. Then I'm going to go back in with Tweety and just blend out the edges of that green. So now I'm going to go in with a smaller, denser brush and I'm going to be using Medusa, the darker green. And I'm gonna put that right below Wicked. Then I'm gonna go back and blend the edges with Wicked again, the lighter green. For the outer corner, I'm going to be using this black Disturbia with a really small blending brush. And for the lid, I'm going to be using Stila's liquid eyeshadow in the Douce. And I'm going to grab a concealer brush and basically do what I always do with the cut crease. These eyeshadows are awesome because I don't even need to use concealer. This already just cut my crease on its own. If only all lid colors were like this, so I don't have to keep using concealer to cut my crease, because that's such a bitch to do. This is so much easier. So I'm gonna go back in with Medusa and just blend together the black and the olive color. I'm gonna go back in with Medusa and the winged liner brush, just so I can outline right above where we put that liquid eyeshadow. And for highlight, I'm just gonna use the white that comes in the palette. The Stila eyeshadow is so pretty, but I kind of wanted more of a gold green, and this is more of like an army olive green. I hope it's okay to put eyeshadow over the Stila eyeshadow. I think I should be fine. Okay, this is better. I'm going to be using Makeup Geek's Limelight on top. I'm going to put that over the Stila eyeshadow. So this could either go well or this could be a really bad idea, but I'm just going to use my finger to pack that on where I put the Stila shadow. Yeah, that's much better. See how this is more like lime green and this is more like army olive green? I kind of want it brighter like this. I'm just going to use a tiny smudge brush to get the edges. Okay, so I think I'm pretty happy with that. I'm just going to put on some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so I put on fake lashes, I put on mascara, and I just put on some eyeliner. I usually don't show that routine because it's always the same thing. And we're just going to move on to lips. The closest thing I have to nude is this Jouer liquid lipstick in Noisette. Since I don't want to keep using my Desi Katie Dose of Colors nude, I'm going to try this out today. Okay, it's not too bad. It's more like a pinky brown nude compared to the really light nude I use. Okay guys, I'm all done. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you have a safe St. Patrick's Day if you're going out. If you are going out, please be safe and don't drink and drive. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I look like a green fairy.
If you guys are drinking green fairies tonight, be careful. I've always wanted to try absinthe, but I haven't yet. I always think of like that How I Met Your Mother clip when Robin's like so high on absinthe.
We're a dream of babies having.
We're a dream of babies.